I have the hiccups again. Wait. Turns on. It always happens when I drink root beer. I don't know why. It's just like the bubbles and stuff and all the gas and yeah. But usually it's just like it's just like a one hiccup that only goes away. But today it's just a lot more hiccups. And yeah. It went away. But I guess that sometimes like if you drink soda before you have hiccups, or like if you have hiccups and then you drink soda, I guess it'll make it go away or something. And sometimes when I feel like I have hiccups or whatever, it's just like gas from drinking soda, so you just have to like burp. That's what I do. Yeah, I think those are the other two ways to get rid of hiccups that I know, because I already put all the other ones in the other video. I already said hanging upside down, being scared, drinking water. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are all the ways I know how to get rid of hiccups. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my hiccups. And yeah, they're gone. It like cancels itself out. Like if I drink root beer, I get hiccups, and then I drink it again, and then they're gone. And then I drink it again, and then they're back. Except now, they're just gone for good. So I am just about settled into my new room. It's still messy, as you can tell, and we're still like adding some last minute things, so it's not completely done, and it's still like getting in touch with my child's side, because when I was little I never got to, so yeah. My whole top bunk is full of stuffed animals and stuff. Yeah. I guess I can like be mature out like at school and stuff with my friends, and then like when you get back home, it's just like when you get into my room, it's just like another side of me. Yeah, it's just my childhood side, like right there. Yeah, because I have a thing for Care Bears, so yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. Bye. See, oh, and then there's like mats up there for like, yeah. I have to burp, so I will let you guys go, and yeah. See you guys later. Bye.